In this video, we will see how to disable CarPlay for a particular car on your iPhone. If you have paired multiple cars in your iPhone for a CarPlay, then next time whenever you are going or entering any car, automatically your iPhone get connected to particular CarPlay in that moment. If you don't want that auto connection or your iPhone getting connected automatically to a particular CarPlay, how to do it? So let's start the video. First of all, do one thing, take your iPhone and open setting application. Okay, open settings. In settings, go to general and here scroll down and there is an option called CarPlay. Just go ahead and open that. As soon as you open CarPlay option in a setting application, you will find a list of all the cars you connected through your iPhone. So for which car you want to disable CarPlay, just go ahead and open that. Okay, open that. Once you open that, the first thing you will find that is your disable or enable toggle for a CarPlay. Okay, so just go ahead and just disable that or toggle off. So for that particular moment, your iPhone has been disconnected for a CarPlay option for that car. So like that, you can easily disable CarPlay on your iPhone for a particular car in a easy method. So that's it. I hope this video helped you. And if yes, I request you please like the video and subscribe for amazing videos regarding iPhone tips and tricks and other technical tips and tricks. Until then, thank you very much. See you in the next video.